Hey YouTube, the guy with the thick accent on the BMW X5 E70 engine n52, that is 6 cylinders, 3 SI, 3 liters SI. Anyway, so I was having oil cooler gasket leak. So it's this guy right there. So over time it gets brittle and starts leaking. So I need to replace this guy. The tip, right? So while you have this out, you remove this guy, and then you have to remove this one and just make the other gasket that goes in this area. And that's what I'm doing right now. There is this bolt at the bottom. I don't know if you can see the ratchet. So the ratchet gets, you're going to put the ratchet unless you remove the coolant hose, that it gets right there. So now it's a good time just to replace the original plastic coolant hose for this aluminum one. So this is an issue with these engines, that over time that gets brittle and it cracks, and then the hose just jumps out of it, out of the outlet, because it cracks and becomes part of the hose, and then you are left stranded. So put that aluminum magnesium one, pretty good. And then you can replace as well this sensor, that's the all temperature sensor for a coolant temperature sensor, sorry. And it's this guy right there. That's the part number. So that's the old one. That's the new one already inserted. So these two tips, just replace this one from the plastic to the aluminum, put a new coolant sensor since you're to the vicinity, and then you can put this the ratchet, that's an E10, and remove this bolt. Then we're going to remove this bolt, and there is one that is right behind the manifold, and then the whole assembly is going to come out, and we're going to replace this gasket and the one that is in this area. Anyway, happy trails.